Good morning, fellow nieces and nephews. Southeast Asia is a beautiful land with a rich history dating back thousands of years. A major part of that history is a huge emphasis on fresh, delicious foods. None more famous and revered than egg fried rice. Each country has their own unique variation on this central theme of rice, vegetables, and eggs. Today, the greatest known practitioner of this magical art, Uncle Roger, resides in the bustling metropolis of London, England. But for the true fried rice experience, we must journey to South Carolina, home of this bridge, and, well, that's pretty much it. Also, definitely some giant bugs. First, you're going to need to wash your rice to get rid of all the extra starch. This will keep your rice from becoming too sticky. A little sticky is okay, but too sticky, not so much. Wash your rice until the water runs clear, unless you're lazy, at which point you can just put it into the pot of your nearest Instant Pot. Once your rice is in, pour in some water. Who really cares how much? A little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Check the temperature. Should be cold. Salt it. Put the lid on whenever you get around to it. And desperately search for the rice setting. Aha, there it is. Yeah. Now, try to figure out how to work this stupid thing. Yeah, I got it. Once it's cooked, stick the rice in the fridge and go do something else for a while. Now that your roommate's complaining that dinner is late, it's time to cook. You'll need carrots, peas, onions. Any day now, Junior. Garlic. Thank you, thing. Chili sauce. Scrambled eggs. Roast chicken. There we go. Green onions, soy sauce, oyster sauce, whenever you get around to it, some mirin, and our cooked rice. Yeah, there we go. Got it. Plus, a special ingredient. Preheat your wok. Mine is better than Uncle Roger's because it's bigger. And pour some neutral oil in there. Whatever you want. Even swish it around a bit. Carrots. Peas. Onions. Garlic. And stir fry for 5 minutes. It's just a whole lot of stirring. Keep stirring. Never gonna stop. Keep stirring. Toss. Yeah, doing good. Great. Fantastic. Oh God, it went everywhere. You didn't see that. It didn't happen. Grind in some pepper. Keep grinding it. Yeah, just keep going. Yeah. That's it. Keep going, and good. Stir everything to cook your veggies all the way through. Ignore those feet and toss again. Look at that. Keep stirring. Add your eggs once they come out of their stupid little bowl. And eventually break into smallish pieces. Come on, Junior. Add in your chicken. So much chicken. Stir some more. Oh my God, I'm so fast. It's too fast. Now for the rice. Yep, no, just a little bit more. There you go. Stir all of that together. No, not again. It's too fast. It's just too fast. No, that's only for garnish. Add in just a good amount of chili sauce. A frankly obscene amount of soy sauce. Yep, just keep going. Yeah, you good? Keep that. There you go. Oyster sauce. If you can ever get the damn stuff out of its bottle. And a splash of mirin. Now I know it says wine on the bottle. Don't drink it. Trust me. Stir. Now toss it like a pro. Yeah. Good job. Add an extra dash of soy sauce, why not? Who needs your heart anyway? And now for our secret ingredient. The superstar of Asian cuisine. Mono, where the hell's my MSG? Damn you, Uncle Roger. Fine, plate our ruined dish. Yep, just take your time there, sport. Any day. You're finished. Sprinkle some green onions over the top for some reason, and choke it down if you can. Now, if you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and keep watching. We make new ones every week. Or don't do any of that. Whatever. Don't let some disembodied voice on the internet tell you what to do. You're an adult.